Hello, students. Hope you all are good. Today we will solve some previous year's questions of renowned government service exam. So let's start. First of all, we will solve this one. Okay. The difference between a discount of 25% and two successive discount of 15% and 20% on a certain bill was rupees 28. Find the amount of bill. Okay. So, so 28 rupees is the difference between discount of 25% and two successive discount of 15% and 20% on a certain bill. So let's first find the equivalent discount of 15% and 20%. So how to do this? 15% discount, that means we can do the remaining part be 85% and 20% discount be uh, the remaining percent is 80%. Okay. So now what will be the value? The value of this fraction will be this one. So see, from this fraction, we can claim that the equivalent discount percentage of 15% of successive discount of 15% and 20% will be 32%. Clear? So now tell me that what is the difference of a single discount of 25% and equivalence discount of 32% of the two successive discount 15% and 20%, and that is 32%. Okay. So what will be the difference? What will be the difference of these two discount? So the difference is 7%. We can get that difference only, and it is immaterial that what is the order of the difference, that is 25% minus 32% or 32% minus 25%. We need to just we need to just pick the difference. Okay, that is 7%. Now, see, we can do this expression and we can solve in two manners, like see that doing 7% of the bill amount be like x is equals to 28, and now this can be represented at 7 into x by 100 is equals to 28, and so x is equals to 28 into 100 by 7. Okay, so on cancellation you can get 400 is the total bill amount, but we can skip this process. We can skip this process and do in another way, like 7% is equivalently rupees 28. So what will be the 100% of that value? Just this one. So 400 is the answer. So rupees 400 was the bill amount. So rupees 400 was the bill amount. Clear? Okay. So let's go for the next problem. And you know that options are given for this problem as option need to verify. Okay. So for some problem we need options to test, uh, as options are also mandatory for those questions. Now, which of the following numbers is divisible by 2, 5, 10, and 11? That means we have to apply the divisibility rule of 2. That means the number must contain at the unit place either even digit or 0. That means either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. 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 if the number is exactly divisible by 2. So we can exclude the first option. Next, out of the options, the number must be divisible by 5. So the last digit must be either 0 or 5. So we can delete the second option also. Next, the number is exactly divisible by 10, and for that the unit place must be 10, must be 0. Unit place must be 0, and there are two options having unit place 0. So again, we need to verify out of these two options which one is exactly divisible by 11. Okay, so let's see. Uh, we can really do like 55, or just subtract 55 from here. You can get 39. Subtract 39, 33 from here. 62, 55, 7, 77. So this is exactly divisible by 11, but it is not. Like 11, then 11, then 24, then 22, then 25, then 22, then 36, then 33. So there will be remainder. So this is not divisible by 11. So option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, so you can apply the divisibility rule of 11 also, and using that you can see that the option 3 is the correct, option 4 is not correct. So this option is exactly divisible by 2 and 5 and 10 and 11. Okay, so do the next one, this one. And for this problem, we need to verify options also, and that's why I gave these options. So right now, see which of the following is the sum of the values of A and B. If the equation this one and this one have infinite solution, and you know what be the rule of having infinite solutions. The rule must be both the equations be same. Okay, how it will works? That means if ratio of coefficients and constant terms will be same for all the cases, like for all the variables. So in that case, two equations will coincide and give a single equation. And for that, the ratio of the coefficients will be 2 by 8, and is equal to 1 by b, and that is equals to a by 12. Okay. So from this you can get 1 by 4 is the answer. So this must be 1 by 4, this must be 1 by 4, and for that the value of A will be 3 and value of B will be 4. Okay. And now what was the question? The question was sum of these two values, that is 3 plus 4, that is 7 is the answer. So here 7 is the answer. Clear? Okay. So let's do for the next one. See, how much simple interest will rupees 6,700 earn in 13 months at a 12% interest rate per annum? So for this, we have to use how to find the rate of interest I. How to find this? And the formula for to finding the simple interest is I equal to P R T by 100. And P stands for the principal, R stands for the rate of interest, T stands for the time or years. And here principal is given, that is 6,700, and rate of interest is 12%, and also the duration is given in terms of the month, and we have to convert it in terms of year. How to convert it? Just divide by 12, and don't find it in terms of decimal point, just use this. Okay, so uh, we need to calculate it, and just a while. What will be the value. We need to verify. Okay. So if we put the values, what we will have? 6, 7, and two zeros will be cancelled out. So no need to write here like right now. Then put 12 and then 13 by 12. So these are the values. Okay. So see, after cancellation, we need to calculate only 67 multiplied by 13. So just multiply it. How the value will be? The value will be this one. Value will be this one. That means 87. So this is the answer. This is the answer. So go for the next one. This one. If tan theta into 6, tan 4 theta, tan 6 theta is equal to 1, where 6 theta is an acute angle, then find the value of cot 5 theta. So how to do this? We have to use some more higher formula to convert it into a particular pattern to find the value of theta. So you know that tan theta is equal to how much? Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Okay. So here, uh, if we convert every tan here, like this would be sine 4 theta by cos 4 theta. This will be also uh, sine 6 theta by cos 6 theta, and that we can solve this. But we have to avoid to find the answer. Like we have to avoid this kind of calculations. Why? As it will take more time. Okay, that will be a part, but still we should avoid that. Okay, I'm I'm giving the solution in both ways. So if we convert it like that, we will have sine 4 theta, sine 6 theta over cos 4 theta cos 6 theta is equals to 1. And on making cross multiplications, we will have cos 6 theta cos 4 theta minus sine 6 theta sine 4 theta is equals to 0. Okay. Or you know from higher trigonometry you can get this be a pattern of a formula, and the formula says that this be cos of 6 theta plus 4 theta is equals to 0, and 0 stand for cos of we can write 90 degree, cos of 90. So comparing both the sides, we will have tan theta is equals to 90 degree, and that is 5 theta is how much? 5 theta is equal to 45 degree. So now you can find the question asked for cot 5 theta. That means cot 5 theta is equals to cot 45, and you know that cot 45 is equal to 1. So hence the result. But see, there be other way to solve this one. how product of tan 4 theta and tan 6 theta is equals to 1. And we know that for particular two complementary angles, product of values of tangent of those two angles is equals to 1. Suppose, suppose A plus B is equals to 90. That means both the angles are complementary, and then tan of A, tan of B is equals to 1. For example, suppose 30 degree and 60 degree are complementary to each other. So tan of 30 degree and product tan of 60 degree is equals to 1. So here it is given that tan 4 theta, tan 6 theta is equals to 1. So we can claim that 4 theta and 6 theta are complementary to each other. So sum of them, that is 10 theta, is equals to 90. So hence 5 theta equal to 45 degree. So cot 5 theta is equals to cot 45 degree. That is one is the answer. So this is the tricks to find the solution within few seconds. Okay. So do for the next one. Yes, a square plus b square plus c square equal to this expression is given, and we have to find the values of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. And how to do that? How to do that? Is there any pattern, or is there any relationships to so we can find the value of this one? Is there anything? Look, there are two ways. Number one, just directly put the values of a, b. That means we have to find the values of a, b, and c, or we have to find some pattern of these expressions so that we can directly find the value. So, what will be the process? How to do that? Can we find that? Yes. See, if we use some formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube, so really we need to find what will be the problem there. There will be, see, there is a formula like a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to a plus b plus c and a square plus b square plus c square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Now, we can't use this formula to find this expression, as we need to find ABC. So we can make the product of here and then sum of the A, B, and C, and then this expression. So it will be more problematic to use this formula or this pattern. So there is only one way to find this expression, is that we have to solve A, B, and C from the given equation only. Okay. So how we will do that? Just see, just open the bracket on the right hand side given and bring all the terms to the left hand side. So we can write a square minus 2a plus b square plus c square minus 2c and plus 2 is equals to 0. Now we can express these two as summation of 2 times 1, that is a square minus 2a plus 1 here plus b square plus c square minus 2c plus 1, and that is equal to 0. So a minus 1 whole square plus b square plus c minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. Okay, and now we have arrived at a uh, at a informations in which we are given that from this expression that uh, sum of squares is equals to 1, sorry, is equals to 0. Sum of square is equals to 0. So as a, b, and c are right now real numbers, being a, b, c are real. So each term is equals to 0 as a, b, and c are real numbers. So square of each expression will be either 0 or positive. And if this square of these terms are not 0, then we can get some positive values, and that's why summation of three positive values will be definitely positive, but summation of these three terms is equals to 0, and that's why there is only one solution for that. That is, each term is equals to 0. That means we can compare each term is equals to 0, and from that we can solve the values of a, b, and c. So so if we do that, we will have that a minus 1 is equals to 0, so a is equal to 1, and b is equals to 0, c minus 1 is equals to 0, so c is equals to 1. So now what are the values of a, b, and c? 1, 0, and 1. So right now we can find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 1 cube plus 0 cube plus 1 cube. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. 2 is the answer. So 2 is the answer. Okay. So go for the next one, this one. 7 cos A is equals to 6. And we have to find the numerical value of this ratio. We have to find here directly the value of cos A, which is directly we can find that 6 by 7 is the answer. Okay. And is there any other expression like we can solve it? You know that there are many more ways how to solve this. Suppose we have to find cot A, we have to find cosec A. We can do that. We can do that from here using the cos. We can do that. But see, we have to use some way so that we can minimize our calculations. And for that, you know that cosec A is equals to 1 by sin A, and cot theta, sorry, cot A is equals to cos A by sin A, and we are only given the value of cos A. The value of cos A is what? Cos A is equals to 6 by 7. We can find sin A also, but still we can avoid that process to find the sin A. How? Just put at numerator and denominator the values, the expressions, the fractions of cosec A and cot A, so that after getting the LCM, we will have 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A by sin A. And see, sin A will be cancelled out from both the numerator and denominator. That's why we need to just find the value of the expression 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. And here you see that 1 plus 6 by 7 by 1 minus 6 by 7. So again you can get 13 by 7, and 1 by 7, that is 1. So the answer is 13. So the answer is 13. So this is the process how to find the value of such expression having a trigonometric ratio, and also we should use the process uh, that include minimum steps, okay. So do this one, okay. So there are only two problem left for today. And see, if the sectoral angle with radius this one units is 75 degree, what is the length of the arc? How to do this? Suppose this be a circle, and it has radius of 9.6 unit. I'm writing radius as r, which is 9.6 unit. Okay. So what is the sector? Sector is this, like a part of a pizza, that is a sector, and this sector makes a central angle that is 75 degree, and we have to find the arc length. That means we have to find this length. This is arc, we have to find this length. Okay, so 360 degree, that means one single rotation is the perimeter of the circle, that is 2 pi r, and we have to find for 75 degree sector angle what will be the length of the arc. Okay, so can you find this? So arc length is equals to 2 pi r by 360 into theta into angle. Okay, and what is the angle given? The angle given here is 75 degree, and the value of r also given, how much? That is 9.6 unit. 9.6. Okay, so how to do this? Make cancellations, and for that we will get this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So so can you find right now the value of the angle, uh, the value of the length of the arc that makes central angle 75 degree at the center of the circle, and having uh, 6.9 unit as the radius of the circle. Okay, so so 4 pi is the answer. So 4 pi is the answer. Clear? So just doing these calculations, that 2 pi r by 360 into 75 degree, and then just put the value of the radius, that is 9.6, make cancellation, you can get 4 pi is the answer. And options having the value 4 pi, that's all. Okay, so do the next one. A merchant mixes two varieties of sugar of 5 kg and 3 kg, which cost him 4 rupees. obviously per kg, and 6 rupees per kg respectively. What is the cost price in the mixture of the mixture and per kg at the rate this one. So we need to find the total cost of 5 kg at 4 rupees, and that will be rupees 20, and 3 kg per kg is 6 rupees. So 3 into 6, 18. Just make additions, you can get 38. So 38 rupees is the price for 5 plus 3, that is 8 kg. Okay, so we need to find here uh, cost price of the mixture. So the cost price of the mixture will be 38 by 8. So this one, just we have to perform the divisions only. So 3, and that means we can get 75 at the end of the decimal place. So this will be this one, and then this two. So 4.75 rupees per kg is the cost for the mixture per kg. Okay. So today the session has completed, and we have learned how to solve the problems, how to use options sometimes, and how to minimize the calculations, and many more techniques we have learned today. So okay, and thank you for watching this, and bye bye.